Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to pair and connect the Soundcore Anker 2 to a Windows 10 laptop or any Windows 10 computer. So we have our Anker Soundcore 2 here. What you want to do is you can see it's connected. So we have it turned on here, you can see the white light, and it's connected to Bluetooth, and that's my phone, so we need to unconnect that. So I'll get my phone here and I'll disconnect it from the Bluetooth. You can see the Bluetooth blue light has gone out. So what we need to do then is press and hold the Bluetooth button on the top till it starts to flash like this. And then we want to head over to our Windows 10 laptop. So here we are on our Windows 10 laptop. What we need to do is head to the bottom right hand corner here, press this little downward arrow and find the Bluetooth here. Select that, then select add a Bluetooth device. If you don't see this, go into your settings and find Bluetooth and devices, and then devices. Then all you need to do is press add a device here, select Bluetooth, and it should find the Bluetooth, the Soundcore Anker 2. Once it's connected, that blue light will stop flashing and signal it's connected. So hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.